Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSP Konkani Dishes and myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Godda Appo or Unniyappam. Godda Appo or Unniyappam is basically a Kerala dish. It is called as Unniyappam in Malayalam and we Konkanis call it as Godda Appo. We Konkanis usually prepare this as prasadam in temple or even as an evening snack at home. Raw rice, jaggery, coconut and banana are the main ingredients for this dish. Now coming to the ingredients, you need 1 cup raw rice, 1/4 cup parboiled rice, or even you can add pova. It is red pova that is usually used because it is more tastier than the white one. 1 cup grated jaggery, half cup coconut scrapings, 2 to 3 tablespoon coconut pieces, 1 to 2 numbers of either Nyalipuvan or Palayamkodan variety banana can be used, or if you want you can even use the Robusta banana, but you have to use only one medium sized one. Water as required, a pinch of salt, 8 to 10 numbers of elaichi or cardamom, 1:1 ghee is to coconut oil for roasting the appo. Now wash and soak the raw rice for 5 to 6 hours. To a kadai add jaggery along with half cup of water. Heat it until the jaggery melts completely. Remove impurities from the jaggery by sieving. If you have impurity free jaggery, then you can skip this step. First drain all the water from the rice and grind it to a slightly coarse form using a mixer grinder. Transfer this to a vessel. Next grind chopped bananas, grated coconut along with jaggery. If you are using the impurity free jaggery, you will be using it directly. So if you want you can add that jaggery while grinding, and elaichi. If you have not used the powdered elaichi, you can add it and grind to a fine paste. Add this paste to the ground rice and mix well, adding water. The batter should be of idli batter consistency. Be careful while adding water if you are using melted jaggery. Add a pinch of salt, sesame seeds, coconut pieces and cardamom powder if you have not powdered it along with grinding, or else you are using the cardamom powder available in the stores, you can add it now. Allow the batter to rest well for 6 to 7 hours. So better is to prepare the batter in the morning and take Godda Appo in the evening. This 6 to 7 hours is for fermenting. Now heat an appyankaili or paniyaram on a low flame, low to medium heat. Add ghee is to coconut oil in the depression. So I have prepared ghee is to coconut oil with 1:1 ratio. You can add that in the depressions. Pour the batter into the cover and cook the appos or Godda Appo. Once they are done, they would have started to leave from the sides of the appyankaili. Now using a spoon or a sharp tip of a knife, flip the appos and cook the other side. Remove the flipped appos after they have turned brown. Repeat the process with the rest of the batter. Your Godda Appo or Unniyappam is ready to be served. Now some tips I will like to give you for preparing the dish is that you can use baking soda for fermenting, and this will help in reducing the fermenting time to half an hour. Better use low flame to cook the appos or Unniyappam, otherwise the inside will not get cooked properly. Then you can add sesame seeds along with coconut pieces to get a good taste and flavor, but slightly roast the sesame seeds before adding. Or else, if you don't want to roast them, you need not have to roast them also. Instead of parboiled rice, you can even add one handful of poha or red flakes. I have used red flakes while preparing it another time, and it gives a better taste than the white red flakes. This is added to get a soft feel when you bite it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.